Welcome to the first episode of the ALLS YouTube channel. In this pilot episode, we introduce an amazing tool for learning algebra called Graspable Math. When kids try to learn about the world, they do so by playing. They throw things, catch things, break things. This is the motivation behind Graspable Math. Founders David Landy, Eric Whitenauer, and Aaron Otmar built Graspable Math as a way to let algebra respond to students in a dynamic way so that students can play with algebra. In Graspable Math, students trigger each algebraic step using a gesture. The result is an intuitive, fluid, and unusual interface that supports inquiry and flexible reasoning and thinking about mathematics. A study showed that students who used Graspable Math solved more problems and committed fewer errors than students in a control group that used pen and paper. For teachers and researchers, the system keeps a record of all the steps students take when engaged with an algebraic problem. This means that teachers get more than just an assessment of whether a student was right or wrong. Teachers get rich process data. They can examine every move a student attempted and whether that step was successful or not. This allows us to draw insights regarding how students think about algebra and how this thinking grows and changes. In other words, Graspable Math gives us data that helps us track how students are learning. How can a teacher use Graspable Math? Teachers may use it as a presentation tool. The sidebar feature allows equations from Wikipedia and other websites to be imported directly into Graspable Math. It even has a homework tool that teachers may use to give students immediate step-by-step feedback for their algebra homework. Indeed, in the words of David Landy, Graspable Math helps support whatever algebra the teacher is teaching. Graspable Math is available online for free. If you're ready to try it, we've prepared a link to it in the description below. Tell us what you think in the comment section, and if you found this episode of the ALLS YouTube channel helpful, please hit the like button and share it with a friend. Also, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the bell to get notified every time we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.